end of this video, you're going to know how to ask out your wedding vendors and know the best questions to ask when contacting and meeting the vendors you want. In case you don't know who I am, I'm Shanice Manis. I am a pro organizer and lifestyle blogger / wedding planning expert at City of Creative Dreams. So, how do you ask out your wedding vendors? We're going to talk about that today. I'm going to show you the best way to connect, contact, and best questions to ask when meeting your vendors. You're ultimately asking your vendors out, not on a date, but to help make your wedding special. In order for that to happen, you're gonna have to ask them. So by now, you should have implemented 3 steps of my S.C.O.U.T vendor formula. As a reminder, my S.C.O.U.T vendor formula stands for searching, connecting, observing, you asking them out, and talking. You should have completed searching, connecting, and observing to be at this part now. If you don't have the slightest clue what I'm talking about, check out How to Build Your Dream Wedding Team with Vendors video. It is linked below. 1 contact page. You're going to have to go on to the vendor's contact page. You can find it on their website, but nowadays you can find it on their social media accounts in the contact section or in the description below their picture. Now let's get to the point of what to say. 2, compliment them. Yes, you're going to want to butter them up and make them feel special. In this case, you're gifting them with a compliment. So tell them how you found them. Tell them you're a huge fan and give an example of what your favorite work is or the favorite wedding they have done. 3, slide in connection. Tell your vendor that you love to connect with them. Keep it simple. Say that you love to connect with them and discuss what they can do for your wedding, or that you will love to see what they can do with your wedding. Is this way of asking your vendors out make sense? If it is, write love in the comments below. 4, important key information. Now, as much as we love compliments and asking to connect, this vendor is going to need information to figure out if you are a great match. It is like dating. Here is the information you will need to add to your email or DM to your vendor. You'll need your wedding date and your wedding venue. That's it. 5, patience and acceptance. Remember that your vendor is busy, so response can take a little time. Of course, if it's 3 weeks, just send a follow-up message. But if you hear nothing beyond that, then keep your options open. Except when it's not going to work. It could be for reasons such as your budget or that they're not available for your wedding date. It is okay. That is why you have backups. The best questions to ask your vendors when you are meeting up with them is, are you available for my wedding date? What is the average cost? How many weddings have you worked on? And what is your favorite wedding that you worked on? You want to ask these questions not only because you need this information, but to also connect with them as well on a personal level. If you're serious about organizing and planning your wedding, don't forget to grab my free resources and checklist in the link below. It's there to help guide you through your wedding planning. You can grab it at the link below this video. Did this video help you? Are you ready to ask out your wedding vendor? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Hey, before you go, thanks for watching. And get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.